itong latest na nahuli natin na iba't ibang mostly shabu, mostly ito methamphetamine itong nahuli natin. Ito yung nababalitaan natin na nakita na lumulutang na lang off of our western coastline, Region 1 hanggang Zambales. So ito lahat ang which is the largest drug haul in the history of the Philippines so far for this last 6-month period. Lahat-lahat ay in the last 3 years we have been able to interdict 62 billion pesos worth of methamphetamine na nahuli natin, which is the largest considering the time that we are putting it under the 3 years lamang. Ito ang bunga nung naging instruction ko sa ating mga otoridad na dapat ay unahin natin tignan kung saan pumapasok ang malalaking shipment ng droga. At medyo namomonitor na rin natin, nakikita na rin natin. So, what we will do now, titiyakin natin, ay ang proper disposal nitong mga drogang ito para hindi babalik sa black market, hindi babalik sa street market, basta't hindi na lalabas, sisirain na natin. So the press has a very important role in this. Puntahan ninyo dahil ang procedure dito, saan dadalhin nito? Kapas. This will be brought for destruction to Kapas in Talat. The new concept of the war against drugs is working, so we will continue down that vein, and I think we are beginning to see the good effects of that new